Here with me, I've got
Bob Jewell with Okuma.
Bob. Would you tell us a little bit about what we have behind us here?
Yeah, what you've got behind us here is one of our core products, one of our most popular selling products. That's our LB3000 CNC lathe over here. But what's exciting about this product, not only is it one of our core products with the longest warranty in the industry, is that we've hooked it up with one of our partners to automation. And that's the next step really in manufacturing, is to automate these next steps. Whether you can get 8 or 10 hours out of an individual running the machine and then load it for another 6 or 8 hours and let it run when you go. So not even lights out automation, but extended shift and daily to increase your efficiency.
Yeah. So is that the piece of advice you would give if someone was entering the manufacturing industry? Would it be automation, focus on automation, or is there more to that?
It would be, to me, in my opinion, is automation. You've got to focus on the peripherals that you can add to a good machine to start with that's suited for that, has the correct interfaces and tooling that would allow you to do that, and use that automation to increase your efficiency, because we will continue to try to get young people and good talent into the manufacturing sector, but it's difficult. And automation is here today, and it's here now, and it's affordable.
This is something that we hear a lot, and we do talk about a good bit, is it's hard to get people into manufacturing. Do you have any idea or personal experience as to what those hardships are? Why is it difficult to get people in here?
And that can be a multi-layer question, but it's a cultural. From the time we start out with our kids in high school and start to introduce them to these technologies, because like your shirt, I personally think manufacturing is sexy. It uses the latest technology of CAD, CAM, CNC programming, interface and automation that these guys, computer people, can now integrate seamlessly with a machine tool to make movement and make your finished product. So yeah, we've got to introduce it to the younger people and give them a choice, maybe between manufacturing and college, and they're both valuable assets, but which one can I use?
How long have you been in the manufacturing industry?
40 years, yeah.
2024, almost here, on the horizon. What is your expectations for next year?
I think we're going to buckle up a little bit. We think it's going to contract a little bit in the beginning of the year. There's a number of reasons for that I'm not going to get into, but I think we need to be looking forward, looking ahead, and all the more reason to take your machine tool and automate it now and get some good preventive maintenance in place, because there may not be as much purchasing going on next year as there is this year.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.